Christopher, where's your head? Head. Those are your ears. Head. Those are your ears. Very good. That's your head. Chris, show Mommy your mouth. Mouth. Good job. Where are your teeth? They're in there too. And your head? Good job. What about that's your mouth. What about these things? What's this? Where are your ears? That's a motorcycle. Vroom, vroom. Motorcycle. That's how a motorcycle goes. Vroom, vroom, vroom. That's right. That's a motorcycle. And your favorite body part is your head. Good job.